Welcome, Education and Aspiration family, to yet another episode of Career 360. Riddle, riddle, riddle. I work with panels, yet catch the rays, transforming sunlight into power for days. I climb on rooftops and harness the light, making sure energy flows both day and night. You might see me wearing a helmet and gear, but I don't dig underground. That much is clear. I am not an electrician or a builder of walls, yet I'm often found scaling tall heights and tall halls. I help to make your homes more green with technology that's efficient and clean. Who am I? Working with energy so pure, helping to build a sustainable future. Can you guess my profession? Read more about my profession in the caption. Bye.